are doing well. So today I am going to discuss about the consumer code, what basically it does, and what benefits the consumer will be getting. So who is the consumer? Consumer is a person who buy the product from the persons or from the any kind of offices or kind of shops or kind of any services providers. And it has the different kinds of code uh, which addresses the issues of consumer. So basically we'll talk about the goods, about which goods. Goods is basically what? So goods basically is a kind of movable property, which means it is not a money, it is not a kind of any actionable claim. And what is kind of defect? Defect kind of any fault in the products. So what Consumer Protection Act 1986 is doing? Basically, it provides the relief to the consumer as well as the give the compensation amount to the consumer. So how the compensation amount will be calculated? So we have three kinds of consumers. First is a national um, consumer code, where that will be related to your all any services deficiency or product. It will be uh, addressed. First level will be district level. Each district will have the forum, district forum. That is called a district consumer disputes redressal forum. Another is state consumer disputes redressal commissions. Each every state will have the and national level. It is situated in the New Delhi. That is called a national consumer disputes redressals. So there are three categories is defined. It is not like that you are going to complain or you are going to file a complaint in any of the consumer forums. So you have to decide the amount, which amount. Based on the amount that will be addressed, either is a state, either is a district, either it will go to the national level. There is certain amount will be um, addressed first, then it will go to the respected consumer forums. So we'll see the next how it will be and what are the hierarchy of the consumer courts are there. Let's review the Consumer Protection Act 1986. So next will be first will be uh, district consumer disputes redressal forum. And second is state consumer disputes redressal commissions. Third is national consumer disputes redressal. So there are three categories. So these all are the forum is to be addressed based on the compensation amount which consumer wants. Based on the amount, this will be addressed, and based on the category, it will be file a suit. So there are different kinds of applications. We have a applications, it is called a forms. Each forms have the, based on the kind of the issues will be filled up, and then it will be submitted. So there is a durations for that. It is within 2 years, we have to be file a applications or file a complaint or file a consumer court in that respected. And these are the hierarchy we need to be followed. So I'm not going to deep. You have to go to understand on the more. And it is also very important for whoever preparing the examinations of AIB, All India Bar examinations, and judicial examinations, and who are a legal professionals, either a lawyer or advocate. So I hope it will be understood to you. Thanks so much.